discussed about the causes of revolt of 1857. Some portions of this revolt were left, and these are the important point of the revolt. These also we have to discuss about the leaders. Like in various parts of India, there were so many leaders. You have to remember the name of leaders. Like in Jhansi, the leader was Rani Lakshmibai because she was not having her own son. She adopted Damodar Rao, and that was another one was Allahabad. Here also Liaquat Ali was the leader of revolt 1857 in India. Another one Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Begum Hazrat Mahal actually she was the grandmother of Bilqis Qabil. Bilqis Qabil was the grandson of Begum Hazrat Mahal. So she was not allowed. So this Bilqis Qabil also is named. Teacher will ask me. Another thing, Bareli Khan Bahadur Khan was the ruler, and Jagdishpur, Bihar. Here we have to remember this place Jagdishpur. Means teacher can ask you who was the leader in Bihar. Then also Kuwar Singh, and Jagdishpur was the place that was in Bihar. So this Kuwar Singh. Another one Kanpur, and Kanpur the place was Bithur. Bithur you have to remember Bithur. Here Nana Sahib of Tatya was the leader of the revolt. You can take the screenshot also of this, so you will remember at one place. Okay. Now come to the another thing, that impact of revolt of 1857. Impact of revolt 1857 AD. The main important thing which will be asked in your exam. What was the impact? First thing, I think everybody will be knowing about this. Impact means effect. What was the effect after revolt 1857 on the British rule over the British Empire? So the thing which you have to remember here, that government passed one act, and the act name was Indian Council Act 1858. After this revolt, British government, because this information reached to the British Parliament, this information about the revolt, it was not a small revolt. It was spread in entire country except South India. South India, there was no revolt. Only Northern India, most of the part were under this revolt. So this information reached to the British Parliament, and after this British Parliament means Queen. In Britain, you know the system is of Queen. So Queen came to know about this revolt, and after this Queen sent this act, Indian Council Act 1858 AD. Everywhere AD, and only AD. This act came to India. According to act, this act, the first provision was, now Indian Governor General will be known as Viceroy. So this was the first provision. This, the Indian Governor General. That time Governor General was Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the Governor of India. So now the new word came in place of Governor General. New word came Viceroy. Viceroy. In place of Governor General, Viceroy. Means first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. He became the first Viceroy after this Act 1858. Second thing, till 1857 or till 1858 means up to this Act, entire things in India were conducted by the East India Company. Now, Queen has that the power was transferred. Power transferred to Queen, and Queen was Victoria. Power was transferred to Queen Victoria. Now, one more thing, there were two agencies, Board of Directors and Board of Control. Board of Directors, Board of Directors and Board of Control were abolished. So the things you have to remember, the most important thing is this: power transferred to Queen Victoria. Means now no East India Company. Total control over the Indian administration, over the Indian colony was under the control of Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria, she took the entire hold over the Indian administration according to this Act, Indian Council Act 1858. Another thing, Governor General, now he was known as Viceroy and Governor General was Lord Canning, so he became the first Viceroy of India. Another thing, Board of Directors and Board of Control, this was also abolished. Means these were abolished. Abolished meaning finished. Finished. These were finished. Board of Directors and Board of Control finished. Now total control in Queen Victoria. Fourth thing, this was also the demand of Indian, which was like doctrine of lapse. Such type of policy was now no more. Queen allowed to the ruler to adopt their son or daughter, means adopted successor was allowed. This provision was made. Means doctrine of lapse abolished. Means it was allowed to Indian to, if they are not having their own son, they could adopt anyone and he could be the successor of that person. Okay, so these were the few points those you have to remember under this Indian Council Act or the impact of Revolt 1858. Now another thing, impact of Revolt 1857 over the Indians. Indians, what happened? Indians, actually what happened, the next chapter after this revolt in your book, it is given nationalism. So the first important thing, there were various things, those were rises in India. The first one was the nationalism. First time people realize nationalism means patriotic feeling for the country. First time people realize. Before this, people were happy with their things. Farmers, merchant, everybody was happy with their own job. But first time people realized that we are Indians and Britishers, how they are treating us, and we could stand against this. So the nationalism. entire chapter is given for this nationalism that we will discuss later in our next video. Here, this much only you have to remember. Okay, thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.